What's going on, guys? I am Ghetto and today I've brought a new contest for you. It's bringing Ultra VIP in cookie server. Cookie build servers. Yeah. So you can see I am already a Ultra VIP. So you need to just follow some simple steps to have this logo on your name. So first you need to subscribe my channel. Then like my video. Now, how to participate? You need to go to the comments column and write a username you want. Second, your email ID, which in this I will email that you have won. And third, why you want VIP. It should be truth, and I can believe that you are true. So, if I like you, I will choose you. So the results will be applied soon by Jan 2017 or first Feb. Then you can just check out on YouTube channel, or if you have won, I will email you. So be sure to add your correct email ID so I can email you that you have won it. So why are you waiting for? Just go scroll down and do what I have told. So do fast. I am waiting for your comments. So let's go, and I just check out the comments what you have wrote. Till then, wait for the results. It will apply soon.